Today we're going to be looking at one of the brand new 2026 Prolite Minis. Now this Mini is a special unit because it is made in Canada. Prolite do design trailers for cars, vans, and SUVs, with this particular model being perfect for a compact car. Comes in at under 1,165 pounds dry weight, but is still a 4-person camper. And this particular model does have a couple of upgrades with it, such as AC, front step, some extra cabinets on the inside, and a hard shell awning. Talking about the exterior of this unit, you're going to see you have a manual tongue jack in the front, a single 20-pound propane tank. We also have a spare tire for this unit included. You've got your manual stabilizers around the rest of the trailer, and plenty of windows to let in all this natural light. Walking around to this side, you're going to notice a couple of things that happened in 2025 that they kept for these 2026s, one of that being the higher ride height. So some of the older models were a little bit lower to the ground. Now you have this higher ride height with this axle design. Gives you a little bit more room so you're not bottoming out the trailer. In the rear, although it is a small trailer, you have some small compartments here for outdoor storage, mostly access to what you need, such as your battery, water pumps, other things like that. But you can still store some things like some camp chairs, a couple of extra tarps, anything you want to keep away from the interior of the trailer, you can have here on the outside. You're going to have your auxiliary shower also here in the back. And walking around, one of the nice features that we added here was this hard shell awning. A couple of the other new trailers, you can get the moon shade awning, a little bit more cost effective, but these hard shell awnings look great and they work very easy to do single-handedly or with two people. Stepping onto the interior of this Mini, we are going to see a couple of nice upgrades that we've added, such as this nice tall cabinet stand here. So not only do you still get this countertop space if you want to set some glasses, wallets, keys, anything like that just inside the trailer, it's easy to grab from the outside, so you're not going to kind of dirty the trailer having to walk through it. But you also get this tall storage compartment for all of your belongings. A nice thing about this floor plan is you are going to have this couch here mounted in the back. So you've got this couch, you can sit down, relax. This is where your wheel wells are, but it also gives you some surface area to place drinks or anything like that. But it also will convert to a bed quite easily. So just lifting this up, you can pull this out. You'll adjust these cushions in here as such. And now you have a bed in this trailer. So although it's a small trailer able to be towed by a car, you're still going to get a nice full bed here. And if it's just a couple's trailer, you can leave this bed set out all the time. It means you're going to have a bed set up 24/7, no setup and takedown when you get to the campsite. And behind me, you're going to have a place to sit and eat 24/7. Some of the really small compact trailers, you're only going to have that option for a dinette or a little couch. You're not going to have one where you can have both set up at the same time. So this floor plan allows you to have a dinette, but it also gives you the flexibility of having room for extra people. It is a 4-person camper, so this will drop down onto these wooden frames down here. These cushions will come across, and now you've got an extra sleeping spot here as well. Another change that happened in 2025 they have for the 2026s are these 100% block out blinds. So it's nice that they give you all of these windows when you're sitting and having your meal. You can enjoy the campsite around you. However, when it's time to sleep in, if you're using this bed, you don't want all of that light coming in. These are full magnetic, so you can fully remove them. You can roll them up, you can fold them up, whatever you want. They are nice and easy to use. They also help keep the air regulated on the inside and protect the interior from UV rays. You've got some cargo netting up here for a little bit of more storage above the dinette. And over here behind me, I've been keeping this one a secret. It's the kitchen in the floor plan. 4-person camper, towable by compact car, and you have a kitchen in it. You've got your microwave, 2-burner stovetop, and opening this up down here, you've got your fridge with your little freezer combo. You have a stainless steel sink, which was an upgrade that happened in 2025 from a plastic tub. A nice matte black faucet, and overall a great trailer. You've got air conditioning up above for such this small compact design. You're not going to be bringing everything with you, but you do still have a decent amount of storage. If you want to see everything else this lightweight camper has to offer, and you don't have a truck, you need a camper for a car, this Prolite Mini or all our other Prolites could definitely be good options. If you want to see everything else we have to offer in person, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.